Hi everyone, it's Tolan and welcome to Kinemaster video editing tutorial. And in this video I'm going to teach you how to edit cinematic vlog style video in Kinemaster app. In a few simple steps you can make your vlog video less boring to watch. Just follow up the steps in this tutorial and you should be able to take your video to the next level, just like this. So if you're new to my channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn the notification bell on if you like what you see here, as we keep creating more of this tutorial video here on this channel, so you don't miss out any of them. So without further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so now we're on the Kinemaster mobile app. I'm gonna open up this one right here. As you can see, I have this clip on my timeline which I've already trimmed in and out points of the video clips which I want to edit. So I'm going to be showing you how to make your vlog less boring when you are editing right in Kinemaster app. So as you can see right here, let's play it up and see what this video actually looks, so we can develop concepts on how you can make your vlog to be less boring. So let's play it up and let's see. So as you can see right now, scrolling on my timeline, we have this awesome video right here. So first thing you have to do is to develop the concept on how you want the vlog to look, because that is actually what is going to be driving an engagement to that video on YouTube channel or whatever platform you are going to be uploading them to. So this concept right here, I'm going to be developing a concept like a girl opening up a glass and looking towards the screen, as you can see, and looking towards the screen actually come into a new clip right here, a new scene of the future. So I'm gonna be taking it, since this video right here is all about vlog, I can just create a concept like opening up and looking at the future right here and coming back into our normal senses and actually move into the scene. So that is what we're gonna be creating right now. So I'm gonna be doing that right now. So you guys, to make sure you follow up these steps in this video and get value out of this video, give this video thumbs up. So now as you can see, I'm going to be coming down right here where the girl actually look towards the screen right here, and I'm going to be making a cut right there. I'm going to make a cut. You're going to use this split at head. As you can see, I've split this clip up right here, as you can see. So all I want to do with this clip I split is just you want to do something right now on this screen. You want to click on this clip right here and you want to duplicate this clip into two right here and drag this one, you duplicate to the end of this clip right here. I'm going to be showing you in a couple of minutes why you need to do that. Likewise, this as well, you want to click on this also and you want to duplicate this right here also and drag this, you duplicate to this place right here. So actually from the scene, as you can see, we have a girl opening up a glass and looking towards the screen, looking towards the future of the vlog, where he's gonna be traveling to and how the journey is gonna be, and zooming back into the beginning, as you can see right here. So what we want to do right now is at this spot right here where it looks towards the screen, you want to make sure it zoom into the future right here with this awesome effect. As you can see, you want to click on this clip right here and come to this tool right here, and you want to click this end position right here, and you want to zoom towards our eyes right here. Use your two hands to zoom into the screen, as you can see right there, as zoom into the eyes right here. So actually what this actually do is that, let me play it up and so you see what this effect actually do to a clip. As you can see, it's gonna zoom with a seamless transition right there, as you can see. Awesome, right? So to make it look more professional, you want to click on this transition template right here and you want to look for a transition called acceleration. Alright, right here, as you can see. So this is the acceleration. So the one you're going to be using here is called the zoom into, and this is zoom out, as you can see. So I'm going to be applying this O3 right here. As you can see, it's going to zoom into the scene right here. You want to click on OK, and let's play it back and let's see what we have. Awesome, right? As you can see right there, this make it look more professional, as you can see. So what we want to do next is on this clip right here, as you can see, there is a change in between two clip right here, and this has an hard cut in between them. So what we want to do with these two clip right here, since it's changing an atmosphere from this to another atmosphere right here, so all you want to do here is to make a nice transition that make this transit in between these two clips look more professional to grab viewer attention. As you can see, the one I'm going to be using is called the spin blur. Here is this. As you can see, this spin blur, you want to click on this the spin blur effect. As you can see, you want to click and use this O2 right here. This O2 sell this effect so much well, so that's why I love using it to create an awesome transition right there, as you can see. So what you want to do is come to this speed right here. You can speed it up to 0.25. as you can see, it's gonna slow, and I'm gonna be coming. You can as well use 0.5 if that is what you want to go for to make it fast, but the one I love to use to make it look more cinematic is this 0.5, which will make it look more seamless. As you can see, I'm gonna be hitting on OK right here, and let's play it all and let's see what we have so far. As you can see, this scene is now becoming more professional look to it. As you can see, awesome, right? So I have this another clip right here, and also changing an atmosphere from one clip to another. And one thing I want you to know is that not every portion of your video clips you have to add transition to it, but you have to know where and why you need to add transition in between them. As you can see, since I'm creating this kind of short story for the vlog intro, I have to make it to look more punchy and more engaging when viewers are watching it. So that is why you have to look for an awesome transition that will sell the effect after you apply so many sound design and so many more. And I hope you have been gaining value out of this video. If you did, hit the like button. So now, as you can see, we have these two clips right here from one scene to another scene. So the one I'm going to be using is called the speed warp. This is an amazing transition Kinemaster apply into the transition store right here. So you want to come down and look for it. As you can see, here it is, the speedy warp right here. You're going to apply the O2 transition, which is what the speedy warp into another scene right there. As you can see, I'm going to click on this O2, and this is what the effect actually did to the clip. As you can see, so you can as well apply this. As you can see, I think I love this 04 right here. You can play around with this as well to create this awesome cinematic transition right now. So what I'm going to be doing now, you can as well increase the speed, or you can as well slow down the speed of the transition right here, but I'm going to leave it down to 1 right here, which is an awesome. I'm going to click on OK right now. So let's play all these transition all together and let's see what we've created so far. As you can see right now, this is a professional vlog video edited using Kinemaster app right here. So what I'm going to do now to this scene right here, remember I told you have to duplicate this clip right here and the other first clip right here. So I'm going to be explaining why right now. So as you can see in this first scene right here, this is what this actually look like. This is what this actually look like. As you can see, the lady is looking towards the screen right here and zoom into the future. So and zooming into the future of where it's traveling to in the vlog right here. And I'm going to do the same thing right here, but in an opposite, like zooming out after seeing the future of where it's trying to travel to. So I'm going to be clicking on this clip right here, and I'm going to be coming down to this effect. If you can recall, I used this end position for the first clip right there. So I'm going to be using this start position right here. So I'm going to be opening up this, since in the first effect it zoomed into, but now it's going to be zooming out of the scene. I think this is a little bit okay. I'm going to click on OK, and so let's see what this effect actually do again. As you can see, she zoomed back to our normal first position where he was standing in the first starting. As you can see right here is zoom. So to make it look more professional, you want to add that transition of that acceleration to make it look more professional. So you want to look for it. So here it is. As you can see right now in the isolation. So the one we're going to be using now is not the zoom in as we did for the first one. So the one I'm going to be using now is the zoom out, because it's going to be zooming out of the what out of the feature is trying to protrude, as you can see. So now I've had this effect, and come down here right here, you can change the what you can change the effect of the clip. You can change it to 05 to make it look faster, but I'm going to be using one right here. This is one, so I'm going to be hitting on OK. So let's play this together with this and let's see what it actually look like. Awesome, right? As you can see right here, this is not this last clip right here is not like telling the story. It's trying to like create a confusion, which I'm gonna be showing you how to do that as well. As you can see, it's creating a confusion. Like the first scene right here, as you can see, it's like opening the glass, then looking into the future of where it's trying to travel to, and on coming to the last end of this position right here, it should like zoom back to the normal sense and what put on the glass right here. So what you want to do with this last clip right here is click on it and come to this reverse effect right here. You want to reverse the clip right here. So now I've reversed the clip right here. So let's play it up. As you can see, this after zooming out of this future scene is gonna put back the glass right there. Unlike the first scene, is gonna open the glass, as you can see. Then on the last end of this is gonna put back the glass after he's trying to look at the future of where she's trying to vlog, as you can see right now. So we've created this awesome cinematic and less boring vlog intro for the videos. So if you have been getting value out of this video, hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit the like button and subscribe and turn the notification bell so you don't miss future videos about how to edit in Kinemaster and more professional mobile app editing software and as well PC software. As you can see right now, I have this awesome cinematic sequence about a vlog editing in Kinemaster, which you guys can implement on your vlog style of editing, as you can see right now. So I'm going to be playing all of these edits right here without sound effect, and also I'm going to be playing it with sound effect. So let's first play it without sound effect. So this is what it sounds like with sound design and music. And I hope you guys gain value out of this video. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribe, guys. So if you guys want to see the tutorial where I break down on how I built up this sound design in Kinemaster app, leave a comment down in the comment section saying yes, you want to see the tutorial, and I'm going to be bringing it in front of you on how I designed this cinematic sound design in Kinemaster, breaking down everything you need to know to design a well engaging content with sound design. And I'm going to be showing you where you can get a free copyright sound effect and music for your vlog video or whatever video you're going to be creating to make it look more professional and less boring to viewer. So hope you gain value. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.